Number 1. 1987 Dodge Dakota, $1,800, Seguin, Texas. This first-generation Dodge Dakota with 155,000 miles is offered at a budget price. It runs and drives with four-wheel drive functioning properly. The truck has typical issues for its age, including worn tires, improperly bled brakes, non-functioning air conditioning, radio, wipers, signals, and door lock. A new camshaft has been installed, and the engine runs decently for its age. With a clean title, this truck is a project candidate for those seeking an affordable entry into classic Dodge pickups. Number 2. 1980 Chevrolet C20 Squarebody, $4,000, Huachuca City, Arizona. This long bed Chevrolet C20, finished in its original gold paint with desirable patina, represents the solid Squarebody era. Featuring the rare one-year-only front end, the truck is powered by a 350 small block paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The vehicle runs and drives but requires tuning of the carburetor, bleeding of the brakes, and eventual tire replacement. Cosmetic flaws include minor dents and seat wear, but it remains a rust-free Arizona truck. At $4,000, it is an appealing candidate for light restoration. Number 3. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit truck, $3,000, Tucson. Arizona Volkswagen's compact diesel pickup, known for economy and durability, is presented with 217,000 miles. It runs smoothly, shifts well, and includes new tires and a fresh battery. The diesel engine is strong, brakes function properly, and it holds a clean title. The only drawback is the absence of air conditioning, though it can be fitted. This example remains a solid and affordable choice for collectors of rare Volkswagen commercial vehicles. Number 4. 1986 Ford F250, $3,800, San Leandro, California. Powered by a 7.5-liter engine paired with a manual transmission, this Ford F250 shows 47,000 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. The truck runs well, drives reliably, and has recently passed emissions testing. With clean white paint and overall good condition, it offers an excellent foundation as a heavy-duty workhorse or collectible 8th-generation Ford truck. Number 5. 1985 Toyota Pickup, $3,000, Flagstaff, Arizona. This extended cab Toyota pickup is powered by the durable 2.4-liter 22R engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Showing over 315,000 miles, it still runs well. The body is in good shape overall, though rust is noted at the bed seam and tailgate. Known for legendary reliability, this pickup is sought after by enthusiasts and overland builders. At $3,000, it remains a highly practical and collectible Japanese classic truck. Number 6. 1986 GMC 1-ton flatbed, $4,000, Central Coast, California. This 1-ton GMC flatbed truck is powered by a 6.2-liter diesel engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Although the truck has been sitting on non-operational status for some time, it runs and shifts properly. Offered in fair condition, it requires inspection and recommissioning before regular use. At $4,000, it is a strong option for those seeking a rugged, classic work truck with heavy-duty capabilities. Number 7. 1986 Nissan Pickup, $2,950, Healdsburg, California. This compact Japanese pickup shows 97,000 miles and features a manual 5-speed transmission. It runs well and retains a clean blue exterior, though the air conditioning and speedometer are not functioning. Known for reliability and simplicity, these mid-1980s Nissan trucks are increasingly collectible. At under $3,000, this example is a practical and affordable entry into vintage Japanese pickups. Number 8. 1974 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special, $4,200, Vancouver, Washington. This Ford F250 Camper Special comes with a 360 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. With 100,000 original miles and no rust, it has a strong structural foundation. The truck has recently received a new carburetor, points, fuel pump, and other updates, but it currently stalls under throttle, suggesting carburetor rebuilding or a 4-barrel conversion is needed. Having remained in the Pacific Northwest with a clean title, it is an excellent project for a classic Ford enthusiast. Number 9. 1985 Ford F-150 XL, $675, Stanwood, Washington. This Ford F-150 is being sold as a non-running truck. The 300 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine does not turn over, but the automatic transmission was rebuilt 7 years ago with low usage since. Showing 100,000 miles, the truck has potential as a parts donor or complete restoration project. At only $675, it is a very affordable entry into the classic F-Series market. Number 10. 1978 GMC Sierra Grande 2500, $7,500. Grants Pass? Oregon. This Sierra Grande camper special with 99,000 miles is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. The truck benefits from a new water pump, new belts, and front brakes. Power steering and power brakes add comfort to its heavy-duty build. With solid condition and attractive brown finish, this truck is a highly usable and collectible square-body GMC. Number 11, 1977 Ford F250, $2,200, Muskegon, Michigan. This Ford F250 shows 260,000 miles and runs, but the brake system is currently inoperative. The truck has brand new tires, though the body carries rust, dents, and a missing tailgate. Despite cosmetic flaws, it remains a solid project candidate or functional farm truck. At $2,200, it is an inexpensive entry into vintage Ford heavy-duty trucks. Number 12. 1969 Chevrolet C10 farm truck. $3,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This long-bed Chevrolet C10 farm truck is powered by a 292 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission featuring a granny gear. With 110,000 miles, the body is straight and rust is minimal, limited to rocker panels. Finished in matte black with original burgundy inside, it runs and drives but needs a tune-up. At $3,500, it offers strong potential as a straightforward restoration project. Number 13. 1966 Dodge D200 3/4 ton, $7,000, Sequim, Washington. This Dodge D200 is described as a beautiful original truck showing 136,000 miles. It has received significant updates, including a new wiring harness, disc front brakes, electronic ignition, tires, and refreshed seat upholstery with factory-style fabric. Used daily for landscaping work, it is mechanically reliable and cosmetically appealing. At $7,000, this Dodge stands as a strong and usable example of a mid-1960s American pickup.